Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will give you some tips related to which thing you need to purchase in first semester in your uni. So I will just give you some important things, but if you have extra money you can purchase whatever you want. But if you want to purchase budget friendly things, then I need to tell you what is necessary, what is not necessary. So first of all, for uni, I will give you some tips which thing you need. First of all, in class you just need just simple register. No matter which company it is, you just purchase a random register or a pencil, just a register pencil just for making notes. Or you don't need to purchase it for uni shop. You can purchase whatever you want, because if you purchase in your uni, then it's really expensive as compared to you purchase outside of your uni. So prefer you can purchase whatever you want, or along with you just need to be like one large scale and one small scale for your exams, and one marker or one marker pointers. These are essential. And you just purchase only one register and assignment pages. You can purchase assignment pages bundle. So it will you can use it almost your one semester, so you can purchase at once. Along with the file assignment, submitted file, you can put assignment in file and submit to your teachers. You can purchase, or one stapler you can take and bind pages, and then you can give your teachers. These are necessary. After that I don't think so anything necessary. Or you can purchase a bag, a tote bag or a small bag, mini bag, you whatever you prefer. You purchase just a mini bag, you just put your pencil and mobile in it. But if you purchase a tote bag, then you can put your water bottle, your register or your pencils in it, along with stapler or your important thing. It is essential you put tissue in your bag as well. So these are essential. I also use almost these things. After that I don't think so something is very crucial. But if you have much money, then you can purchase whatever you want. Is I just tell who want to purchase budget friendly things. So thank you so much. If you want really like my video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you so